Money. We all chase it. We stress about it. We dream about what it could do for us. But here's something most people don't realize. Your relationship with money was shaped long before you earned your first dollar. It was shaped by your parents, by the economy you grew up in, by fear or opportunity. And that's why a 70-year-old, a 40-year-old, and a 20-year-old can look at the same $1,000 and see completely different things. Today, we're breaking it all down. This is not just about money. This is about mindset, survival, and identity. Part 1. The Silent Influence, 2:30 to 8. Narrator. Before we talk about generations, we need to understand one powerful truth. Money is emotional. It's not just numbers, it's safety, it's fear, it's freedom. Cut to scenes, parents arguing about bills, a child watching silently. Most people don't learn money from books, they learn it by watching. Watching parents struggle, watching parents save, watching parents avoid talking about money. And without realizing it, we copy those patterns. So when we say different generations think differently, what we really mean is they were shaped by different worlds. Part 2. The Silent Savers, Baby Boomers, 8 to 16. Clips of factories, handwritten bills, physical cash, modest homes. Narrator. If you grew up in the 1950s to 1970s, you lived in a world where jobs were stable, loyalty was rewarded, and one income could support a family. Their money mindset was save first, spend later. They didn't trust risk, they trusted hard work, pensions, banks. Emotional core, security over freedom. Scene dialogue. Don't spend what you don't have, ever. They avoided debt. They feared losing everything because many of them or their parents had lived through hard times. Key beliefs. Debt equals danger. Job equals safety. Saving equals survival. Part 3. The Struggling Balancers, Gen X, 16 to 24. Clips of 80s and 90s offices, layoffs, early computers. Narrator. Then came a generation that saw something different. They saw corporate layoffs, rising costs, broken promises. The idea of one job for life started to disappear. Their mindset was work hard, but don't fully trust the system. They became independent, practical, slightly skeptical. Emotional core, stability, but with caution. Scene dialogue. I'll save, but I also need to protect myself. They started using credit cards more. They balanced saving and spending. But deep down, there was always a question. What if it all falls apart? Part 4. The Experience Seekers, Millennials, 24 to 34. Millennials grew up during massive change. The internet boom, the 2008 financial crisis, student debt explosion. They saw something shocking. Hard work didn't always guarantee success, so they changed the rules. Their mindset? Live now, but try to build something. They value experiences over possessions, flexibility over stability, meaning over money. Emotional core, freedom over security. Scene dialogue. I don't want to just survive, I want to live. But here's the conflict. They want freedom, but they're also dealing with debt, high living costs, uncertainty. So they juggle side hustles, investing apps, freelancing, trying to create control in a world that feels unpredictable. Part 5. The Digital Natives, Gen Z, 34 to 42 minutes. And now, the youngest generation. They were born into social media, instant information, digital money. They don't just see money, they see opportunity everywhere. Their mindset? Money is a tool, and I can make it fast. They are entrepreneurial, fast-moving, risk-tolerant. Emotional core? Control and speed. Scene dialogue. Why wait 30 years when I can build something now? They invest early. They experiment. But there's also pressure to succeed quickly, to compare constantly, and that creates a new kind of stress. Part 6. The Big Conflict, 42 to 46 minutes. Here's where things get complicated. Different generations don't just think differently, they judge each other. You spend too much, you're too scared, you're outdated, you're reckless. But the truth is, everyone is reacting to the world they were given. No one is wrong, they're just different. Part 7. What we can learn. 46 to 49 minutes. Narrator, uplifting tone. What if we stopped choosing one mindset and started learning from all of them? From older generations, discipline, saving, patience. From middle generations, balance, adaptability. From younger generations, innovation, courage, opportunity thinking. The smartest people today? Combine all three. Final message, 49 to 50 minutes. Music builds. Montage of diverse people smiling, working, living life. Narrator, your past may have shaped your money story, but it does not define your future. You can learn new habits, change your mindset, build a different life. Because at the end of the day, money is not the goal. Freedom is, peace is, choice is, and that is something every generation wants. And last thoughts? Understand money. Change your life. If you want, I can also make this 100%.